Hi everyone! Today magluluto tayo ng homemade crispy chicken strips or tenders. Kaya keep on watching! Umpisahan na natin ang pag-prepare at pagluto. I'm using chicken breast here, cut into strips. Then I seasoned it with chili flakes, salt, herbs de provence, and black pepper. Tapos nag-beat ako ng isang itlog. Then, in-add ko siya sa seasoned chicken. Tapos, ilagay ang milk. Mix lang natin ng mabuti hanggang sa maghalo lahat ng ingredients. Cover and put in the fridge for at least 2 hours or overnight. Yung sa akin, it's only 2 hours. And then we prepare the dry ingredients. It's flour, cayenne pepper, and salt. So after 2 hours, pwede na tayo mag-coat ng chicken sa ating dry mixture. At niready ko na rin guys yung oil. 2 cups of oil in a pot. Medium-low heat. Continue lang natin yung pag-coat ng chicken hanggang sa matapos. After ng first coating, ibalik natin sa natirang wet ingredients. We can use our hands here guys para hindi tayo mahirapan sa paghalo. Just make sure na malinis yung kamay natin. Dito kasi ako lang mag-isa nagtitake ng video kaya medyo shaky yung video. And after that, imi-mix natin ulit sa natirang dry ingredients or dry mixture. Then, i-continue lang natin yung pag-coat. Pag mainit na yung oil, pwede na tayo mag-fry. Medium to low heat lang. Kasi madali lang naman to prituhin ang chicken breast. Manipis lang kasi yung pagkat ko guys. Kaya medium to low heat lang tayo. Sorry, medyo shaky yung video. The usual, ako lang mag-isang nagvi-video. Ayan, looking good naman yung chicken so far. I-check lang din natin para hindi masunog yung chicken guys kasi manipis lang ito. 2 to 3 minutes both sides. Luto na yan. Looks yummy at ang crispy. I can't wait to taste it. Continue lang natin yung pag-fry hanggang sa matapos. It's the same process guys, the same process na pagprito. Tapos i-drain natin para matanggal yung excess oil. Ayan, tapos na ang pagprito. Looks yummy. Okay, let's make the gravy. I added 2 tablespoons of butter, 2½ tablespoons of flour, 2 cups chicken broth, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, and a drop of kolorit. Makakatulong to guys sa pag-color ng gravy natin. Kasi kung soy sauce lang, hindi siya magpa-brown. Kaya the kolorit, it helps siya. Good thing I have it. So, i-stir lang natin continuously in a low heat. Huwag natin iwan guys ha, baka masunog. Continue lang hanggang sa mag-thicken na yung sauce. Ayan yung gusto ko sa gravy guys, hindi siya yung super thick. Kaya light lang siya. Yummy! That's my gravy, my very own gravy, guys. And there you have it, my crispy chicken strips or tenders. Titikman ni Timmy ang aking... Anong tawag dyan? Good? Chicken fillet a la KFC. Sarap, Koy. Wow.
That's really good.
He likes it. Mango. My goodness. Ang sarap. My God. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!